Hello, Dana Lynnette here, and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a roller set on my micro locks. So I've already retightened the back. This front half obviously has not been retightened, so I'm going to do that really quickly. I'll show you what I'm using. I still haven't gotten one of those lock tools, so I'm still using my handy dandy crochet hook. There it is. Alright, so I have finished my retie. Now I'm going to spray my hair with water. And put in curl with flexi rods and perm rods. Look at this gray. Alright, this is all I'm using to curl my hair is water. Don't need any product. So here I am about to take down these flexi rods and perm rods, and after I do, the rest of the video will pretty much be me playing with my hair, spraying with water to loosen up the tight curls until I'm able to get the hair the way that I like. So obviously there's a lot of possibilities with the roller set, just like with loose natural hair. Last time I did a perm rod set, the curls lasted forever. I actually just wore these curls for this one day, and before I went to bed, I sprayed my hair with water and twisted it because I want to play with twist outs and braid outs a little more, because I've mostly been rocking some pretty tight curls with either Bantu knots or roller set. So that's what ended up happening, but I did like the product I came out with. I ended up looking like I was a mother of about 4 kids, but it was a mature look. But there's a lot that you can do with roller sets, so have fun, ladies. Play with your hair, be creative, do stuff, enjoy it.
serve God around these parts. Alpha and Omega, he be finished before we start. The great I am, the one who let us know who we are. Christ the cardiologist created me a clean heart.